Absolutely, Jeff. I think it's incredibly important that we try to put this in some kind of perspective here. Already, of course, in this region, we have about 20,000 U.S. troops with boots on the ground. We're talking about Afghanistan and Iraq and Syria and elsewhere. So 20,000 on the ground already. Then you have to think about the U.S. Fifth Fleet that's based out of Bahrain. This is an amalgamation, of course, of Coast Guard. This is Marines. This is naval can't say that word, aviators and seamen. So you've got a huge group of folks already in Bahrain. This is a multi-trillion-dollar investment from the United States that's grown over the course of the last couple of decades. Back in 2010 as well, they announced a $500 million increase, not just in bringing more folks to Bahrain to beef up those operations, but also in terms of putting infrastructure there. The Fifth Fleet area of operation already encompasses some 6.5 million square kilometers of water, and that's coastlines of 27 countries, including the Gulf, the Red Sea, the Gulf of Oman, and of course the Indian Ocean. So I think it's really, really important when we talk about a troop increase to take a step back and think about what that really means in terms of increasing U.S. forces, because they're not going to just come overnight. As you know, it takes a while to get them out here. And at the same point, this isn't the only troop increase that we've seen coming from the Trump administration. We saw them add 1,000 extra U.S. troops to Poland just last week. So I think it's really, really important when we talk about this narrative and sort of heightened tensions to really focus on the fact that that this has to be put into perspective in terms of the broader numbers of U.S. forces that are already operating in this region. But what does this really do? It sends a signal, doesn't it, to these Gulf Arab allies who, over the last several weeks with these various attacks, have seemingly been very, very loath to be the ones out in front, blaming Tehran for this. It's as if they don't really want to be left holding the bag. And I think that what this move does, at least in the short term, is to assure Gulf Arab allies that they can still count on Washington. Guys?
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.